Hi everybody, here's the latest installment of Autodoc's video tutorials on replacing car parts, the tools you need for the replacement.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. We post new ones every week.
For more information, check the description below the video.
Share this video if you found it interesting. You can buy spare parts from us on our website or in the Autodoc app.
Thank you for watching our video tutorials. If you enjoyed watching, click thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.
Follow us on social media. Find us on Instagram and TikTok.